Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod from Love Your Practice with another video on how to grow your practice. This one we're going to be talking about practice management. Let's get to it. Last year I had people walk out the door and then I hired 5 new people, and when those people walked out the door, I had one person, a paralegal, was with me for 4 years that left, and it really forced me to take a hard look at myself, because when those things kind of happen, I got to figure out like what is going on. I did. Today I came into the office and I got this "we appreciate you" with all these lovely comments from my team expressing their appreciation for me, and that's a huge turnaround. It forced me to figure out how to become a better leader, because when you become a great marketer, the next thing you're going to hit is a ceiling of complexity on, all right, you're going to grow your team to continue to scale, to grow your vision. Then it's a whole new set of skills on how to become a leader. Because just like marketing, there's no class in law school about how to become a marketer. Now that marketing just comes naturally to me, but leadership, I had to learn that skill. That is something that I had to figure out, because that again was not taught in law school. So the biggest takeaways I want to share with you on some things that you can implement for your leadership skills and development is read Why by Simon Sinek. He also has another great book. Also, create a clear vision for your team so they know where they're going and so they're inspired. And then second, this is so basic, but we're so busy as attorneys that you may not be doing it, is communicate, communicate, communicate. Don't let things like build up until you want to blow up. As soon as you have an issue, communicate with the team, communicate clearly about the priorities. We have daily meetings that happen 4 times a week so that we're all communicating with each other, and they're 10 to 15 minutes long. As you grow, the communication becomes more and more important. And then third is structure. As my team grew, we needed to have some kind of structure, so I hired and created some managers within my team. I hope this video helps you. I hope it serves you. Don't be discouraged if you're hitting a ceiling of complexity. That's the word I was looking for. If you're hitting a ceiling of complexity, hey, that means you're doing awesome, because you're just raising it to the next level. And that means you're gonna learn more. I hit that ceiling of complexity last year. I had those people walk out the door, but it helped me become a better leader. And I'm still growing and I'm still learning, and I'm not the perfect leader, but I think I've grown a lot last year, and I know you can too. Thanks, and have an awesome day.